Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to a very exciting part of the Audi TT build.
Yeah, now you've seen the thumbnail, so there's no big reveal, so here it is.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Boom!
There it is.
The livery reveal.
Yeah, now the colours were chosen on the poll that we done on Facebook. And I'm really happy with the results, to be honest.
I gotta say, if you want to get involved with stuff like that, guys, we always put posts up on Facebook. So join us on the Instagram, join us on the Facebook to get involved, because we want you guys involved in this build. Yeah. So this is thanks to you. The colours that were on option, I'm sure you guys remember, is the main colours there. What were the other options?
Yellow.
Yellow was a good
Yeah, that was one of the main ones, and it was a grey as well.
That's right, yeah.
But yeah, they went down to the 2.
Yep.
And then obviously the red won it. So yeah, I got it. I literally picked it up yesterday from Jono. I want to just say a massive thanks to a couple of people first.
Yep.
Dean for lending me the trailer.
Legend.
That's Dean with the Fiesta that we've done. He lent me his trailer so we could take it down on the Thursday morning. Now Reese gave me a hand to load it on the Wednesday as well, so thanks to Reese. Yep. And once again, a massive thanks to Jono in Design Studio for knocking it out of the park.
Yep. Now this livery may look familiar. This is what we've dubbed the Accelerate livery. We've had a few cars now absolutely blown away. We've had a few cars in this livery, and at the moment they're all different colour combinations as well, which
they
is amazing.
are at the moment, yeah.
I'm going to apologise for the audio, guys. The Rode microphones have just died. We have been filming all day on this thing, but you can't see that yet, so that'll be out very soon. Some big changes on that. So going back to the TT, what I was saying was I was a bit worried. I didn't want to say to you until it was done, but I was worried that silver being a boring colour, dare I say, wasn't sure how the rest of it was going to look, but
I think being silver has made the colours pop a lot more.
That's exactly what I think, yeah.
I'm glad, you know, obviously I didn't want to buy a silver car.
Yeah.
I really didn't, but when this came up in the spec and everything, it was worth doing.
It was the one.
But obviously this does transform it.
Yeah, so. And I want to say, I've had a few people ask me, is he going to get different wheels? And I was wondering the same thing, and
they were delivered today.
They were literally delivered a few hours ago, so Kenny hasn't seen them yet delivered. No. And I don't even know which ones he's gone for. You showed me a few.
Yep.
I have no idea which ones he's gone for, so it's going to be a surprise for me as well as you guys. So, like I said, don't forget to get involved. Follow us on the Facebook and everything.
Yep.
And one thing that I did like, I've noticed, is VagTech. Now, Glenn's been involved with this a lot.
He's helped us out a lot with this car. Obviously, we have had a lot of issues, as you guys know. But the last time we went into him, it had a lot of work done because, time before that, the slave cylinder, he hates this thing. He really does.
I think we've lost a friend.
Yeah, I think so, yeah. But the slave cylinder was leaking inside the gearbox, which saturated the clutch. So the only thing to do, new clutch, new flywheel, slave cylinder. The Haldex now works.
Yeah, it's four-wheel, it's quattro again.
It's quattro again. Now, the only problem is, obviously, where it hasn't worked for so long, the diff is now clunking. I'm hoping it goes. I'm going to change the oil and hope it goes.
Apparently it is a thing. It's not. I didn't believe him, but people on the owners club said, apparently if you put a few miles on him, it can fix it.
Yeah, but I put about 3,500 on it so far, and it has not. It does get better, but hey ho. Anyway, yeah, so I went for a RTS.
That's right, yeah.
Twin friction clutch and a single mass flywheel.
Ooh,
so it'll handle nearly 400 foot-pound of torque.
Oh, which gives you a hint of where he wants to go with this thing.
Yes, exactly. That's the thing.
He's scared of the MX-5, that's what it is. He's got to come up.
Sorry, one of the other main things he done was the exhaust.
I was just about to say, can we talk about the exciting one, which I literally heard for the first time just now as he was pulling up. It's now got the old 3-inch from the downpipe all the way back.
Yeah, now it is very bassy. I will give it a little
I can guarantee the camera won't pick up how cool it sounds because it's always the same.
Very bassy.
It sounds better than I thought. For a 4-cylinder, it sounds really aggressive, but not...
Well, something I did like, remember I said to you, somebody called it the European 4G63.
Ooh, yeah.
So I was
ooh, let us know what you think of that, the European 4G63. That's a bold claim.
It really is. Obviously, I've had one of those.
Yeah. That's, oh my god. That sounds so much better than I thought it would.
It does. I gotta be honest, it is a bit loud in the cab.
It sounds a bit boomy.
It is very, very boomy, so I might get the resonator changed out at some point. But for now it's on there. We do need to adjust it because Glenn couldn't on his own.
Always the same with
Turn it off so he can hear us.
yeah.
So yeah, we're happy with that. So it's nearly ready for mapping as well.
Wow.
Yeah, we're getting closer. We're getting closer. I need to change the fuel pressure regulator
Oh yeah.
to a 4-bar,
Yep.
and we are on the hunt for a front mount intercooler.
Oh yeah. So if any, I know we've got a lot of TT guys following us now, so if you can recommend one, or to be honest at the moment, if you go even over a cheap one going second hand,
Yeah.
we need all the help we can get because we just want this thing mapped ASAP now, don't we? So
Yeah, well, I know TTC have done one recently with very similar mods to this, and they got 290 out of it.
Well, not as many mods as yours.
No, I've obviously got the fuel
yeah.
pump and everything to put in as well.
Yep.
So
Yep. I know we've got some very eagle-eyed people among us, so you may have noticed this Japanese writing on a German car. Do you want to explain the reason behind that?
yeah, now we've done it on obviously our previous cars, and who doesn't love a bit of Jap writing?
Yeah.
Now that does actually say Team Accelerate in
Yeah.
Japanese, so we are going to be releasing that on the clothing.
Yeah, so it's going to be sort of part of the merch line. We sort of want this as part of the brand because we admire Japanese cars, as we've said many a times on the channel. So this sort of ties in with the theme
Yeah.
of the channel, do we say?
Well,
so.
this is the thing, innit? You know, and obviously if anybody wants anything like that, give us a shout, because if you want to be a part of Team Accelerate.
Yeah, because
You know?
I want this as a sticker for the Civic, so we can look into things like that.
Yeah,
and,
now I know Gav Morris is having his car done soon, and I did show him this yesterday, so he's
Yeah.
seen the front end of it.
I just thought, there's 2 cars that we need to reveal to you soon that are getting wrapped
Yeah, exactly.
with us as the main sponsor.
But yeah, I showed him that, and he absolutely loved that idea.
Yeah.
So
Wicked,
yes, there we go.
So yeah, this is the TT. We have got a lot more to come. We've got the splitter and the holes, which I'm very much looking forward to.
Yeah,
the
Canads.
wheels, the Canads, yeah.
Yeah,
The wheels I'm absolutely buzzing for.
yeah, same here.
Oh,
So
It's-
yeah, it's getting closer, isn't it?
It's really coming together. Considering you started off thinking, oh, I'm going to modify it slowly. It never happens.
Again, yeah.
But yeah, this is, look at the day. So yes, thank you very much for bringing it down. If you're wondering where we are, we're not at Accelerate HQ. We are in my new workplace.
Mud cesspit.
Yay! And there's water everywhere with this flooding.
Yep.
But yeah, that's the TT for now. Like we said, thank you to all involved. You know, we couldn't do it without your guys'
Yep.
support.
Yep, big thanks.
And yeah, as I keep saying, get on the Facebook because that's where everything happens and that's where we keep you all up to date.
And
So-
also the Instagram. I just want to mention.
Oh, yeah.
I've taken hand of that because Drew is obviously always busy with the editing and stuff, so he doesn't get a chance to respond to everyone.
Yes.
So if you have messaged in the past and you didn't get a response, please don't take it personal. Drop us another message and I will get on to. I'll
That's
get
just
back
to say,
you.
you can now feel, we've said before, don't message it. It was a bit stupid not to.
I know.
so-
I don't know why we didn't think of it before.
I know,
but-
so feel free to message it. If you've got a car to feature, if you know people who have cars to feature, just drop us a message because Kenny will be checking in every
Yeah,
now and then.
and we got
so-
the features coming back very, very soon.
Yes, we've got a couple of cars booked in.
Yep.
So, and hopefully the weather will break a bit
Say,
then
I
as
hope
well.
it
so-
does. Yep.
So yeah, as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bam!